What's up guys? Nissan qasqhai 08 model. Problema nih, clutch is gone. So we're gonna try to start the engine and we will see what's going on with this car. Okay. This is some kind of Balibrand county. Okay. See the brake, the clutch pedal. Clutch pedal is down, and there is no leaking in here. No leaks on the clutch master cylinder. Let's see what's going on. So we're starting. Clutch, it won't engage. The reason why it tastes like this, if you cannot see leaking on the clutch master cylinder, there is something to do with the hydraulic release bearing. Hydraulic release bearing is can be place here if it is leaking. Obviously, wet po. So, nag-leak po yung kanyang clutch master cylinder. And then, we're doing it. So, we're gonna open everything here. Gearbox down. And then that's it. And then we're gonna put on that. We're gonna see if he has the parts. Obviously, yung kanyang sira is ito. Hydraulic release bearing. But when you do like hydraulic release bearing, you should do the clutch pedal. So it will become one go. Babaan na lang. Okay. So first thing first, we're gonna disconnect the battery. Disconnect the battery, clear out everything here, and then jack up the car, this, jack up, put engine support on there. That's it. You cannot do it like, because this is not this is only petrol engine, so not much to be. Siya nagpaabot gini siya, around 2 weeks siya nagpaabot. Okay, kinilagay pong availability na to. Ano tayo mga priority ng mga sakyanan po na nauna sa kanya. So ako na sinignan nauna yung schedule, sunod po siya, puti siya, kahit puti ang tagiyan, sunod po siya. So para ganyan, pagka nagustuhan ka mga ginagawa natin, pag nagustuhan, kasi yung mga video kasi natin ginagawa natin, meron talaga video talaga documented talaga yung mga ginagawa natin, hindi yung ano, para makita din nila kung paano ginawa yung sasakyan ninyo o sasakyan nila, paano ginawa natin. At kung mayroong mali, makikita nila pagka mayroong mali. Okay, so let's do it. Battery. So guys, tinanggal natin yung engine cover niya or engine tray, na-confirma natin na may tama talaga yung kanyang hydraulic release bearing, no? As you can see, change that. Okay, so this is like the house faster before the rain comes. Just put up the support here. This time the bracket because it's the bracket is almost covered everything. So this is our home. And then one thing I'd like to emphasize here, see this thing? This is the earth or the ground corroded and it's kaput from here. So we're gonna connect that later on. We're gonna make more. I will show you here. So that is the ground. Okay. That is supposed to be here. So it's corroded. And then before doing trapping the gearbox, make sure to remove the reverse sensor. This will make headache if you don't remove the sensor here, because once this sensor touch up with the frame, then it will be broken and then that's gonna cause headache. So you have to remove this gearbox sensor, reverse sensor. Renault engines, Renault, Kangoo, Nissan, reverse sensor has to be removed in order to avoid damage from dropping here on the subframe. Okay, this is the reverse sensor here, just for the safety sake, to avoid like headache, because once this damage, buy it. So avoid from damaging it. Almost done. We're gonna remove the 16mm bolt here, all around the wheel housing.